Surprise! Naku, si Amazing Bet ng sumaya po ito. At gusto na po i-shoutout si Kabalbas. Naku po, hope to see you soon po. At sa mga nanonood po, please click na subscribe sa YouTube channel po ni Kabalbas. Hit the notification bell para updated po kayo. Dapat all po, para updated po sa lahat ng mga bago niyong vlogs and mga content. Hope to see you soon po, Kabalbas. Always stay amazing.
One hour later.
Mga kabalbas, nakarating na rin kami after 2 hours na biyahe. Ayan, kasama natin po sila. Yeah. Ikaw sa aking Kabalbas channel. Ayan po, dito kami sa Blue Bliss Resort. And
hello, what's up Kabalbas? My name is Day. Today and we're in the Blue Bliss Mati City.
so turn me.
Okay,
let's go.
Ato na lang plastaran
I
sila
was gonna take a 12 this place. See? You have this, I guess, couch, and you can sit lovely here.
Wow. What next?
Then,
Where's our room?
I guess there.
Our room?
Yeah. What is that fog? Hold up, Kabalbas. We entered the swimming pool area, and it looks so cool. We entered the swimming pool area, and it looks so cool. Look at even.
What?
And the water's Then we go here. And then oh no, this is the shower place. It's very hidden.
What is that?
Shower place.
Shower. Oh, that's a shower room.
Yeah. Over here, is this the janitor's room? And I saw a cat that just drank the water.
Okay, wait lang. Oh. Hey, wow! That's our room!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Oh!
You see this lovely living room.
Maganda nga po. Ito yung room nila. Yeah, welcome to Blue Bliss.
And then here
What's that?
is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
And that's creepy chef.
Wow.
Hi, chef. Wow. Here is the bedroom.
This is our bedroom. Yes.
So come.
Wow, this is our bedroom. This is mine.
Now you're
This is
gonna,
mine.
you're gonna be.
Wow, dito po yung 5 room. Ay, 5 room. 5 bed. Ay, 4 pala. Ito yung 4 bed.
No, Ate Francine and you are gonna be there.
Yeah.
And over here is the bathroom.
Saan yung bathroom?
This is room. Wow.
Saan yung bathroom? Patingin ang bathroom.
Wow.
Yeah, what's with the bathroom?
Big bathroom.
Wow, that's the bathroom. kabalbas, ito na, nandito na kami sa Blue Bliss. Blue Bliss. Bliss. Basta gano'n. Dito sa Dahican, Barangay Dahican, Mati, Davao Oriental. Ito yung room, ang ganda, social ang room. Ang ganda, no? 5 ang bedroom. Ay, bedroom. Ang kama. Ay, 4 pala. Ba yan? Hindi ko 4 ay mga kabalbas. Ayan. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. So, dito kami ngayon. Stay sa Blue Bliss. Pwede siya, tinor na kayo ni Dane kanina doon sa, pati doon sa dagat. Ang ganda. Parang siya, no? Maldives style. So, maganda. At 10,000 lang dito. 2 room ata. 10,000 pesos per night. Parang ganun. At lahat ng amitis magagamit nyo. So ito mga kabalbas. Dito lang yan sa Blue Bliss, Dahican, Barangay Dahican, Mati, Davao Oriental. Yeah. So yun mamaya ulit mga kabalbas. See ya.
Watch and see.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah, day to you. Happy birthday to you.
The next day.
So, good morning at ito na nga, uwi na kami. So, after magstay dito sa Blue Bliss Beach Resort, no, okay naman talaga siya. Maganda. Kung gusto mo na relax, dito ka lang pumunta sa Blue Bliss Beach Resort dito sa Mati, sa Dahican, Barangay Dahican, parang ganun mga kabalbas. Ang medyo lang ay wala silang wifi. Yun ang paghandaan nyo. Wala kang wifi, wala silang signal dun sa taas sa room. Iwan ko sa ibang bilya kung may wifi. Pero dito sa amin, sa Tinuluyan, wala silang wifi. So, wala rin signal sa taas. So, bababa ka pa rito. Dito, ayun kakaroon ng signal. So, yun yung mga kabalbas. The best siya. Maganda sa relax. Kung gusto mo mag-relax, may party, dito nyo ganapin dito sa Blue Bliss Beach Resort, no? So maganda naman siya. Yun lang, wala lang wifi, walang signal sa taas. Yun lang naman. So yun lang mga kabalbas. Thank you and then God bless. Inantok pa ako.